would you do to get up your paper? Would you do anything to stay up? Or you okay with chilling and just getting by? See, I'm the type to hustle once I wake up grinding day and night. Yeah.
What's up, guys? On today's episode of What the Hell Am I Doing to My Car, I'm going to be trying to install a V1 Rocket Bunny kit that's a replica from MSquaredmotorsports, as well as finishing up some body work, and I'll show you guys that. Delete and doing the priming and filling. I got to delete these guys on both sides. And since I might have the bumper off, I might take that light out and bake it apart and try to reseal it and get the condensation out. Here's the other side of that mirror, delete. And if it goes really well, I'll be taking my fender mount mirrors off and painting those. So step one is jack up the car and get the wheels off. So I'm gonna take care of that and see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 hours, and I decided to do one side of that showing you how to do it. That way I didn't screw anything up and show you guys anything wrong. But I didn't do the other side, the driver's side yet, so I'll show you guys how to do that. But I'll show you what it looks like after you're done with the general installation. That is what it looks like, and those are just self-tapping screws. But I turned around and I masked this side off, stripped out that bumper pin. But essentially all you want to do is cut right above your body line, and then depending on the kit you have, mark off where the plastic touches the body down there, and cut that. I always estimate a little short, that way I have room for error. I'd rather have to cut twice than cut too much and have to put more metal in. But you can see that. I mean, it's not a perfect fitment, but you could definitely hide that with side skirts, and I plan on building my own. Now with both sides of this, the front and the rear, you will have to cut a section, a little bit of your bumper out. Not a big deal. It's essentially, let's see if I can't find it, just the spot where your side marker's going. Yeah, I found it. Get the tape off. So it's essentially just this piece that you'll cut out. And I haven't had these side markers since the year I bought the car. The OEM side markers fell out while I was driving down the highway. And after they fell out, I installed some smoked out black ones, and they fell out too. So I stopped buying them. And I was going to patch the hole with fiberglass, but it's easier to just cut it out. So I'm going to do that. But I will set up the tripod and have you guys watch this portion. I know I can already hear the keyboard warriors saying, "You paid $30,000 for this car." 25, give or take, whatever they're going for nowadays. I don't know. I bought this one in 2016. But the answer is simple. I'm cutting into this car because I own it. My car is paid for, so I do what I want to it. Like delete the mirrors, screw up bodywork, and cut the car up and make it look worse. Alright, so what I do next is obviously position the over fender and get it where I want it, and I'll have my wife hold it, and then I'll start putting in self-tapping screws. And the way to do that, the way to do that is to, I started on the other side, I started up here, I put one there, and I put one on this adjacent corner, and then one down here, and I went and filled them all in. I'm going to grind down the rest of the inside of this and get back with you guys. Alright, so a few issues I've run into. You guys watch me cut the wheel well. I had my wife come out and help me off camera fitting this thing and mounting it. But now the problem I'm having is the front bumper, because both the over fender and your bumper piece have these tabs in them. This one fits like this, but it's got this lip right here that has to go in your bumper seam, and it won't fit with the way my bumper is now. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the tabs off my bumper, because this will be fastened to this panel anyway, so it'll hold my bumper on. That's why I had the little bumper bands on there to begin with. But I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done cutting it. Alright guys, so I just cut out the bumper clips that were right there. Therefore it'll have room to close up when I put the fender piece on. You know what I mean. Alright guys, on the last step of the night, other than remounting these, flex seal the edge so that you don't get any rust. If any of you have any questions on what I did, how to do it, please put it in the comments. This is the end of the part 1 video. There will be probably 4 parts, because I'll try to start doing the rears tomorrow while I'm laying primer and paint matching these to the car. Like I said, any questions, comments, anything I didn't show, bring it up, and please ask the question. Don't mess up your car. Thank you guys.